Welcome back, guys. This is Mel at Famelounge in downtown Palm Springs. Today we're going to talk about the Walt Pinot Noir from Santa Rita Hills, the Central Coast AVA, and the vintage is 2018. To tell you more about this wine, the aging process on this, aging or maturation process for this particular Pinot Noir, they have aged it for 10 months in 40% new French oak. And the grapes that are coming here, it's not from their estate. It's actually from 3 different vineyards: Radian, Bent Rock, and Fiddlesticks. It's 100% Pinot Noir, nice blending to it, and was rated 90 points by Wine Spectator. They talk a great lot about this. The vineyard is very popular. The brand is very popular. So let's check it out, how it tastes. So I have rated the wine for, I guess, probably 15-20 more minutes, and just poured into the glass. Nice, really nice medium ruby color, clean on the edges. Wow, wow. Black cherries. Look, for a Pinot Noir, the black cherries are a bit dark fruit, but that's what I smell. Nice minerality going on, like gravel. More of like jammy raspberry jam. Baking spice has that nice spiciness to it. Beautiful nose, beautiful nose. Let's check how it tastes though. You know, that's the most important thing, right? Wow. The acidity on this wine, I would call it more mouth-watering. Nice acidity. And black cherries. That spice that I was talking about, I can now relate that to nutmeg, more white pepper, more plumish character to it. Wow. Fabulous, man. So, it's a dry wine, medium bodied, medium tannins, not too much, on a lower side. Very well balanced acidity. Like I said, that, you know, like that's really mouth-watering. Beautiful. I hope you'll enjoy the same thing, the same way I am doing. Cheers. Thank you for joining me.